Welcome to our world of wow. Let me show you what we do, where. It gives you sense of pride when industry applauds you for your work. InfoBeans has been honored to receive Great Place to Work, Best Employer Brand Award, Growth Champions, and Best Places for Women to Work, to name a few. Every floor has a different theme. The Joy Wing offers us the forest feel. While sitting at your desk, you still feel you're close to the nature. Technology brings our team from all the 4 countries and 10 locations in this room, enabling effective collaboration. When you have an important deliverable that needs your 100% focus and undivided attention, you end up booking any of these individual cubicles. Open office infrastructure makes it a lot more easy to collaborate and interact with each other. You can just simply move your chairs and host a meeting. No need to book a conference room. Team turns up and says, "See you at the tree house for the scrum today." The real creativity comes in when the gadgets go out and the grey matter starts working. Yes. Terrace, the place where everyone comes in to hit their F5 and refresh themselves. Not to miss the recliner chairs in the nap room. A few minutes there and you'll forget all about the deadlines. And nothing stops the love for cricket. It can happen anytime, any day. You can choose to unwind with your favorite sport: snooker, ping pong, carom, chess or PlayStation. InfoBeans is not just a workplace for me. It is my second home, offering innovation, growth and flexibility. Hope you love it too, the way I do.